After a group of farmers protesting against the centre's new agriculture laws ransacked the venue, Chief Minister of Haryana Manohar Lal Khattar had to cancel his visit near Karnal and his meeting with a gathering of farmers. Though the Haryana police used force and tried to stop protesting farmers from entering the village using tear gas shells and water cannons, the farmers still somehow managed to enter the village and reach the venue of the meeting. Cell phone footage showed many of them on the dais shouting, throwing down chairs, and tearing up posters, NDTV reported. The Haryana Chief Minister was supposed to attend the gathering of farmers at the village and speak on the benefits of the centre's three farm laws passed in September. Moving on to the next news, condemning the incident of alleged racial abuse directed towards Indian players during the ongoing third test between India and Australia, Cricket Australia on Sunday issued a strong statement apologizing to the Indian cricket team. This came after Indian fast bowlers Mohammad Siraj and Jasprit Bumrah were both targeted by a section of drunk Australian supporters at the SCG on day 3 and 4 of the test match. Cricket Australia condemns in the strongest terms possible all discriminatory behaviour, Cricket Australia's head of integrity and security, Sean Carroll, said. As series host, we unreservedly apologize to our friends in the Indian cricket team and assure them we will prosecute the matter to its fullest extent, he further added. Moving on to the next news, the central government has intensified its coordination with local authorities to contain the spread of the disease as more states confirm cases of avian flu and many are still probing the unexplained deaths of wild birds, crows and poultry. Seeking increased monitoring of potential hotspots for the disease spread, the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying has asked for constant communication. Other than Uttar Pradesh, 6 other states where bird flu has been confirmed are Kerala, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana and Gujarat. Moving on to the next news, continuing his sit-in protest near Raj Niwas on Saturday, Puducherry Chief Minister V. Narayanasamy demanded the central government to recall Lieutenant Governor Kiran Bedi. Claiming that she was not allowing the elected government to function, the ruling Congress-led Secular Democratic Alliance in Puducherry started a 4-day protest against Lieutenant Governor Kiran Bedi on Friday. Along with his cabinet colleagues, legislators of the ruling party and workers of the alliance parties, the chief minister has participated in the dharna. They were seen carrying posters and placards reading "Corporate Modi quit, quit, call back Kiran Modi." She is not allowing the elected government to function and is interfering in day-to-day administration. People will sit peacefully and agitate for at least 3 days, Chief Minister Narayanasamy had said. Moving on to the next news, Indian captain Virat Kohli slammed the alleged incidents of racism by members of the crowd against Indian players during the ongoing third test between India and Australia at the Sydney Cricket Ground on Sunday. Kohli, who is back in India on paternity leave, took to Twitter to call racial abuse absolutely unacceptable. Racial abuse is absolutely unacceptable. Having gone through many incidents of really pathetic things said on the boundary lines, this is the absolute peak of rowdy behavior, Kohli tweeted. It's sad to see this happen on the field, he further added.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.